Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Upwork. We go to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we go to this sign and you will search about Upwork talent app. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will start your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.